Hello, Math 7 coming to you live with your last notes for this chapter. I will come up a little bit later with a video on your quiz, and then your tests will be given probably tomorrow. We'll just wait and see about that. I might wait and give your quiz tomorrow. We shall see. Okay, lesson 12.9, solving inequalities. The thing about solving inequalities is it's the same basic process as solving equations. So I'm going to go back to lesson 12.7 where we talked about solving equations. And the primary thing to remember is this right here. First, if we have addition and subtraction, that's what we need to undo. Then, if we have multiplication and division, that's what we undo. Again, you undo the operations by doing its inverse. So if it's telling you to multiply, well, then you divide by that number. And if it's telling you to add, then you subtract by that number. So that's the thing to keep in mind as we move forward. Of course, there is a difference. Inequalities are different than equations because of the different signs that they have. Here's the key, and this is a big one. If you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, then the sign, so let's say it's greater than, it's going to flip. It's really hard to do with my hand. I'll show you some examples to make sure that that makes sense. Okay, so example. Here we have negative 2x is greater than or equal to 4. And again, I circled the sign because it's an inequality. Now, how are we going to get rid of this negative 2? Well, negative 2 is being multiplied by x. X is what we're trying to isolate, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. But you need to reverse the inequality. So what you do is you end up with, so after dividing, we're left with x over here. Our sign reverses. And then 4 divided by negative 2 equals negative 2. And this is now our answer. Moving right along. Here are, let's see, how do I want to do this? Let me do it like so. Oh, don't look. Okay, so this one, 3x is less than 39. Well, when we divide it, the sign doesn't change, right? 3 is a positive number. Only if this 3 were negative would the sign have to flip. Over here, well, we don't have a negative number, so we're just going to subtract. Boom. X is less than or equal to 36. So you can go ahead and work on these in the rest of your notes. I think this is pretty straightforward. I'm going to come out pretty quickly with a video on your quiz, and hopefully that'll answer any more questions. Otherwise, that's all your notes. Super duper short video. Hope it helps you guys out. Bye.